up, travelers? We just made it to Port Canaveral.
Yep.
Yay. We're actually heading on a cruise, which is right there. So exciting.
We're going on the Norwegian Escape, which is awesome because our channel is making our escape, so we'll be making our escape on the Escape.
Something's in the air. I can feel it everywhere.
We are in Amber Cove, Dominican Republic today. It's just a short way away from Puerto Plata, and we are going to check out some waterfalls that we're going to get to slide off of and jump off of and all sorts of cool stuff like that. I'll put the name of the waterfalls somewhere on the screen. But we're excited to get going. We just docked and got the all clear to go ashore, so we're gonna head down and go check it out. Let's go. Oh yeah, we are off the ship.
I'm ready. And I have cool kid shoes too.
Look at those cool kid shoes.
'Cause I've been down, down, down. I've been down, so down, and now I'm dying.
Victoria's so excited.
Yes.
And she's not at all afraid of the heights.
It's gonna be fun. Yay.
And we're on a really fancy bus with really nice window shades. We did, yeah.
Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. I'm aiming for the sky. Everyone.
She's got a helmet. You ready to? You ready to go?
No, but I'm going somewhere.
It's gonna be so fun.
Driving through the New York rain. Roll down my window and let the rain in. You call me by my name. Too late to turn home. We chase the night away. Come along, come along, come along, come away. Let's dance to whatever. Something to remember. Come along, come along, come along, come away. Make me unravel. Forget about the madness. Darling, I hear it calling. No more of hiding. And I'll go on forever riding. This summer loving. We paint the sky green. And I'll go on forever. I'll go on forever.
You were up there.
I literally could not, like, I was supposed to go and I couldn't.
Oh, you did great, baby. This has been awesome. And Victoria was such a champ jumping on that one. She had fun.
I was saying my knee hasn't stopped shaking, my legs are shaking still, but it was fun.
Something to remember. Come along, come along, come along, come away. Make me unravel. Forget about the madness. I'll go on forever.
We made it to the bottom.
Was that the last one?
I think so.
Okay, I think I survived. I don't think I drank too much water, so I think
It was
it's good.
so beautiful. This was a lot of fun. Like, yeah, there's a lot of people, but so much fun. it back to the port.
Oh, it's a wrap.
Victoria woke up from her nap.
Yes. I was gonna say no, I didn't, but yeah, no, totally.
And she made it. She had fun even though she was scared the whole time.
I think all the adrenaline and everything took all the energy out of my body because right now, like, I'm so exhausted. Like, it was draining.
We hope you enjoyed the first of our adventures at sea. If you'd like to see more, check out this playlist right here. And be sure to subscribe to not miss any of our upcoming adventures. And we'll see you all in our next escape. Bye, everyone.